Hi, I'm here now at Bingham Falls, Smugglers Notch State Park. I'm going to just walk down to take a look at the overlook for Bingham Falls. It's a very short trail, and it's a rainy day, so I'm sure the falls are ripping. So, all right, let's go. Busier trail. This gets a lot of action because it's so short. You can imagine people come up to the area, they can just poke in, kind of like going to Saturday Falls in New Hampshire. Alright, let's continue the trail to see the actual falls. This is the steep part. You get down to the bottom of the falls to see it. Just be careful, especially if the rocks are wet, as they are. Bingham Falls. River is so high. So this is the part that they warn everybody about, the wet rocks going back up and obviously coming down. I think just about anybody could do it as long as they don't have some sort of physical impairment. Just take your time. Bring hiking poles if it makes it easier for you. As you see, Bingham Falls here is part of Smugglers Notch and Mount Mansfield State Park. A lot of history here. Some will say that this man Bingham, by drawing people and telling people to come see these falls, kind of helped build up the town of Stowe to what it is as a tourist destination today. As easy as it was, we're now back to the truck. So, round trip, half-mile. The only part I would caution anyone who is not in fair to good physical ability would be the slippery rocks on the descent, but I think if you can physically do it, you can make it down and back up. Just take your time. Alright, well, thanks for coming along to Bingham Falls. It was a nice hike. It's a quick one, so if you're up in the Stowe area, stop in.